Hello guys, I will be playing with my birds. My parents are watching TV. I have two birds right over here. This is Gulab, this is Jamun. And I might use this chopstick to play with them. This green one is the scaredy cat. But this one is the most cutie. This is how I like to play. I just touch. Okay. Look at him. Look at him. He's penguins. Hey, penguins. Penguins. I'm holding him. He can't escape. Just kidding. Look at him. Look at you. Look at you eating. Look at you. Look at that. Look at that boy. Look at that. Look at that guy. Guys, I think it's time to bring out chopsticks. I won't grab them, I'll just touch them. It's a joke. And this guy especially gets scared. See? Oh wait. Oh, ow. Ow. First time. This guy sometimes he loves me, but he just gets angry. See? And sometimes they just run away from it. But here's double. Okay, wait, let me just. Yeah. Okay, look, he's eating water. Look at you. Yes, you. Look at them. You also. They're next to each other. Yeah, go boy. Go boy. Go boy. Come on. Go boy. Ah. Drink. Look at him. Yeah, look at you. Look at you. Fighting time. WWE. Yeah. I have mastered making bird sounds. So I can respond to them. Okay guys, I think someone is here. Some guests. No one's left. Oh. I mean, come on, guys, isn't she cute? I mean, look, she's posing for the camera. I mean, come on, you have to see it. See it. Oh my god, she's putting 1 feet. Oh my god, that means she's relaxed. What about you? Yep, feet are still there. But you, look at the difference. Did you poop already? No. Look at you. Guys, watch. Okay guys, if you're still watching, then wait, both of them have 1 feet out now. Wait, this guy just looks like he has 1 foot. This one too. They're so relaxed, guys. What if I try to do this? The chopstick style. Wait. Huh? No, Mama. I'm making videos of them. That is my mom. Hey. Jump. Go. I mean, come on, guys. Rate her 1 out of 10. You hear? She likes to rub her beak on her porridge. Oh. WWE time. Okay, he jumps on. This guy runs away. Puts her feet on inside. I love them. And you guys have to. Okay, bye guys. See you later.